The 1854 George S. Hopkins House is a classic Greek revival that sits in the heart of Providence's College Hill with modern touches and period charm to create a gracious living environment. Step up the granite steps, through the porticoed entrance, and into the center hall with wide plank hardwood floors. To the left sits the fireplace library with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and natural light from its large corner windows. Move into the spacious living room with crown molding, crisp built-in shelving, and a wood-burning fireplace, creating a pleasing atmosphere to enjoy time with friends. The understated style continues in the dining room with an oversized bank of windows before reaching the farm-style kitchen featuring a wood-burning brick fireplace. With ample eat-in space and plenty of natural light, the kitchen serves as the hub of daily life. A family of foodies will appreciate its stainless steel appliances and ample stone counter space for meal prep. Walkout access to the fenced backyard provides a charming multi-tiered escape to nature with mature trees for privacy. Step through the garden gate and into the Benefit Street Park, a private retreat in the heart of the neighborhood. Segue back inside where a powder room completes the main floor. Follow the stairs up to the second story, offering a comfortable sitting area that connects to 3 bedrooms with hardwood floors, including a primary suite that has a private full bath and ample closet space. A second hallway bath completes this level. On the 3rd floor are 2 more possible bedrooms with dormer windows, plus a studio space with skylights, as well as another full bath. Finally, step down to the lower level, which features a kitchenette and attractive living space, making for an ideal au pair suite to cap off this amazing Eastside property. Providing a detached one-car garage, you'll be steps from Brown Street Park and blocks to the stores at the University Marketplace. Stroll down to the restaurants along both Hope and Thayer Streets, or to the museums and campuses of the Rhode Island School of Design and Brown University. Plentiful entertainment options are found in downtown Providence, while Boston and New York can be reached via the interstate and train station. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.